the highest standards of quality in workmanship.
The next submarine that you see is Indian naval submarine Sindhu Kirti, commanded by Commander Ajit Jacob, a Kilo-class submarine of the Indian Navy. She represents stealth, endurance, and lethal precision. Silent in presence, powerful in action, INS Sindhu Kirti remains a steadfast protector of the nation's seas.
सिंधु कीर्ति का क्रेस्ट किलर वेल से प्रेरित है, जो इसके साइलेंट किलर होने की विशेषता को दर्शाता है। अपने नाम को सार्थक करते हुए सिंधु कीर्ति के आदर्श वाक्य हैं बलम शौर्य कीर्ति। देवियों और सज्जनों, फॉक्सट्रॉट श्रेणी की पनडुब्बियों के प्रारंभ से भारतीय पनडुब्बी शाखा ने धीरे धीरे सिंधु घोष, शिशुमार और कल्वेरी श्रेणी की पनडुब्बियों तक अपनी यात्रा तय की। यदि युद्धपोत निर्माण को एक जटिल प्रक्रिया माना जाए, तो पनडुब्बी निर्माण की जटिलता कई गुना अधिक होती है, क्योंकि इसमें कारीगरी और गुणवत्ता के सर्वोच्च मानकों की आवश्यकता होती है।
Approaching us is the third submarine of the column and the last vessel to be reviewed by the Honorable President of India today. Indian Naval Submarine Sindhu Kesari. She is commanded by Commander Jijo Mohan. Her name means the Lion of the Ocean, a fitting tribute to her predatory gaze and silent dominance beneath the waves.
सिंधु केसरी की एक प्रमुख विशेषता है टॉर्पीडो ट्यूब्स के माध्यम से जल के भीतर रहते हुए सतह पर मार करने वाली मिसाइलों को दागने की।
With that, ladies and gentlemen, we come to the end of the historic International Fleet Review 2026, a memorable day indeed.
देवियों और सज्जनों, अब समय आ गया है इस ऐतिहासिक इंटरनेशनल फ्लीट रिव्यू 2026 से विदा लेने का। आज का दिन हमारे इतिहास के पन्नों में हमेशा के लिए दर्ज हो गया है। वाकई एक बेहद यादगार दिन।
On this historic occasion, Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi, Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Nausena Medal, will now felicitate Srimati Draupadi Murmu, the Honorable President of India.
इस ऐतिहासिक अवसर पर एडमिरल दिनेश के त्रिपाठी परम विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल, अति विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल, नौसेना मेडल, नौसेना प्रमुख अब भारत की माननीय राष्ट्रपति श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू को स्मृति चिन्ह भेंट करेंगे।
In a short while, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, the Honorable President of India, will address the ships and the guests participating in the Fleet Review.
कुछ ही क्षणों में भारत की माननीय राष्ट्रपति श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू फ्लीट रिव्यू में भाग ले रहे जहाजों और अतिथियों को संबोधित करेंगी।
Governor of Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, Sri Justice S. Abdul Nazir ji, Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Sri N. Chandrababu Naidu ji, Union Minister Sri Ram Mohan Naidu ji, Deputy Chief Minister Sri Ponidala Pawan Kalyan ji, Chief of the Naval Staff, Admiral Dinesh
and
Tripathi ji,
the
Chief of
Honorable
the Aircraft,
President of
Air
India, the
Chief
Supreme
Marshal
Commander
A.P.
of
Singh
Indian
ji,
Armed
Flag
Forces,
Officer,
is
Commander
addressing
in
the
Chief,
officers
Western Naval
and
Command,
other
Vice
ranks
Admiral
of
Sanjay
INS
Balaji,
Sumedha,
Farman
and
Chief, officers and sailors of the Indian Navy and friendly foreign navies. Ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar. I feel very happy after witnessing the impressive fleet of warships and the display by naval personnel from India and friendly navies. I express my compliments to each one of you for the professionalism demonstrated by you at this international fleet review. International Fleet Review reflects unity, trust, and respect among nations for maritime traditions. Ships with different flags and sailors from different countries exhibit the spirit of togetherness. The spirit of togetherness is well captured in the theme of this review, United Through Oceans. It is a positive message to the global community that the commitment and result of this collective naval strength can overcome all challenges. India's relationship with the seas has been deep and enduring. For centuries, these oceans have been pathways of commerce, connection, and cultural exchange for India. People enthusiastically celebrate the festival Bali Jatra on voyage of Bali on the banks of Mahanadi in Cuttack during the week starting on Kartik Purnima. This festival is an expression of respect to the ancient sailors from what is now Odisha. It celebrates the tradition of regular sea travel to Southeast Asia for various purposes since the ancient Kalinga Empire. These travels contributed to the spread and exchange of trade and goods, ideas and values, shaping a shared cultural consciousness across region. Visakhapatnam has a glorious maritime past. Today's event underlines the enduring naval significance of Visakhapatnam. This fleet review also takes forward India's vision of Mahasagar, which stands for mutual and historic advancement of security and growth across regions. India's approach to international relations, including the maritime domain, is guided by our ethos of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam,